We've just received a brand new Perfect Aire DIY Quick Connect ductless mini split system. In this video, we're going to unbox it and review what components and accessories come with the system. This system is delivered via a freight company as 2 large boxes. Be sure to have a hand truck or even better, a helper nearby when it's delivered to bring the units into the room it will be installed in. All you will need for unpacking your system is a sharp pair of scissors or a pair of wire cutters. So I just brought inside my new do-it-yourself Quick Connect Perfect Aire ductless mini split system. As you can see, the boxes are a little larger than what I expected from the product online when I purchased it. All right, so once you cut the plastic tabs off, you can easily just lift this cardboard box right over the top of your unit. So this is our mini split heat pump, the outside unit, and then we have some accessories that were tucked in there. I'll leave those right there with it. In the outdoor compressor box, you will find the telescoping wall pass-through tube for the refrigerant line set and power line, the rubber vibration dampening pads for the condenser unit, and putty for sealing the pass-through hole. Because this is the DIY unit, the line set is already connected to this wall mount here, as you can see. So we're gonna try to cut this off. So the zip tie was pretty thick on there. I was able to get it cut with regular scissors, but it was a little bit of a struggle. You may want to use wire cutters or something in that sense. And then we do have a few more accessories in here. Our manual, our remote, and some smaller items are all packaged in here. In the indoor air handler box, you will find the Cielo Breeze Smart Thermostat Controller, installation and user manual, the air freshening filter that installs on the back of the indoor unit, the necessary mounting anchors and screws, seals, and hardware for the installation of the unit's condensation line, the remote control thermostat and wall mount holder. So inside the cardboard box, you'll find a template for hanging your wall mount. It's a scale 1:1, so you can actually hang it up and it'll show you where you need to drill your holes. The mounting bracket is actually already fastened underneath of this wall unit here for you. In the next video, we'll walk you through the installation of the Perfect Aire DIY Quick Connect ductless mini split system. Stay tuned. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, please feel free to give us a call or chat with us online. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe to our channel to be alerted when new videos are added, and be sure to leave us a comment or question about how we can help you learn more about this topic.